Hey everybody. So in the summer I went to Chetwynd, and I put a thing on Facebook saying that I was coming to Chetwynd and could pick up any appliances or electronics or anything that people wanted to get rid of. I figured because I was going anyways, what would it hurt? Well, a fella named Cameron sent me a message saying that he had a dryer. When I got there, he had a dryer. I think it was just one dryer, maybe a washer too. I can't remember. But there was like a smash TV and I can't remember, maybe a printer. But so, anyways, I grabbed that stuff and I scrapped the dryer. There was nothing in it. Then a few days ago, Cameron sent me another message saying he had another dryer and it was outside by his carport if I wanted to come and get it. I said, sure, I'll grab it. So I got off early yesterday from work and I ran to Chetwynd and grabbed it. And then I also picked up 10 PTAC air conditioners from the hotel. Just trying to empty all the stuff out. I still got loads of stuff left, but grabbed another load from there and came home. But when I looked in the truck, when I was loading it, I found $1.85. So I was pretty excited because I could hear like jingling when I was shaking the thing around. So I sent Cameron a message and told him that I was probably going to scrap it on camera so that I could send him a link and he could cry about all of the riches he gave up. Well, these are the riches he gave up. Okay. I'm doing this in the truck because I'm taking it to the scrap yard. So going in today. Oh wow! Oh Cameron, Cameron. Cameron, come on. I'm not gonna turn down all this cash, but man, I thought you had said you had taken this thing apart. Well, I appreciate it. That'll cover my gas, maybe. Bye. Philippines, Philippine peso. That's cool. I've never seen one of those. Okay. So far, that's what we've got. Put that in my front pocket. That's added to the $1.85 I've already got. That'll go in there. Okay. Hi, dogs. Oh, that's packed. Oh, there's something broken. There's a bunch of screws inside there. And a little earring. Oh. Wait, where are we? I don't know if that's any good. I'll keep it. If it is, you can let me know if you're watching this. Put it in with the money. Looks like buckshot. It's steel. It looks like a double-aught buck BB or something. There's a few of them in here. I guess they could be ball bearings. It also could be why the dryer wasn't working. Put them in with the money too. Oh, look at that. I think that's got everything, but oh, I guess apparently I've paid my dues. All right, found a guitar pick. I don't know anything about them, but if you want it back, let me know. As for the cash, no, oh, I guess, oh, maybe that blood's from, maybe I touched something else. Anyways, all right. I think that's got everything. Oh wait, there's another nickel. Oh, a dime. I guess I could get that with the pliers, maybe. So the cut snips. Yep, snips. Not a Soka. Oh, that's glass there. Oh, maybe that's what I cut my hand on. There's like an old Christmas light end in there. Well, it'll go in there. Yeah, that's probably what I cut myself on. Oh, sorry, Banks! What would the day be without Banks running away? All right. Hey. No. Anyways, let's go in and count the riches. Okay, so altogether with the $1.85 that I found in there yesterday, we have $28.94 Canadian, 5 cents American, and 7 pesos from the Philippines. And an earring and some ball bearings and oh, stuck to the magnet. Oh, it was another quarter. Oh, now I gotta re-add everything. Hey, I guess I just add a quarter onto that. That's the dryer change fund so far. It's got $1.85 still owing. It's in the house, and also the 40 or whatever loonies we got out of that one vending machine. Yeah, not too bad.